So guys, today I'm going to show you all Trust Wallet's new desktop edition. Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency that uses over 60 cryptocurrencies. To use the Trust Wallet desktop edition, go to their official website. Links will be in the description below. Once you're here, you can either download the other Trust Wallet versions for phone, Mac, Chrome Web 3, but in this tutorial we're going to be using the desktop edition version. So click onto desktop edition right here. Now it's going to simply ask for your 12 phrase code or 24 phrase code right here, and simply put or type it onto here. If you don't have and don't know how to get your 12 phrase code, simply download the Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone, then create wallet and type these 12 words onto the site. Or if you already have a wallet, just simply click on settings icon, go to wallets, click on the information icon, show secret phrase, and check this 3 box. Write this down onto the site. Now once done, just simply click continue and wait patiently. And just like that, you can now use, send, and buy cryptocurrencies on Trust Wallet's desktop edition. Start trading now, guys.